What's up, everybody? I am your fantastic fun host, Jeremy from Tech Designs. And look at this right there. Like, does the pic, we don't need anything else. We could just, how about we just sit here and just stare at this just like this. It's pretty nice. Kira, what do you think?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. All right. Kira says it's pretty cool. So check this out, guys. We're gonna go ahead and walk around this thing, check it out. So a lot of different things we're seeing on this. So first of all, these, what's probably standing out like a sore thumb, look how massive these are. So we're running a set of 35s on there, 35, 12, 50, 17. These are some Toyo open countries. You guys know we love our Toyos. And what's different on here is we're running the black Rhino wheel. This is a really cool wheel, military style, I would say. And typically these wheels right here run in like a 17 by 9.5. I know the offset's like a -20, I think, but just to kind of show you how it looks, how it fits. So one thing, running this 35-inch tire, we did some things to cheat the suspension forward. And then you can also see we did a lot of cutting up here in the front in order to allow that tire to be able to turn all the way, which is really important. In the back here, we did not have to do any trimming, and we're still getting full turning in there. And that's what's really nice about the Tech Designs kit, is how we are able to move your suspension forward in the radius arms and radius arms brackets. And while we're down here, we might as well check out this awesome set of Aluminess steps. These things are cool if you're looking for just a step to be able to help you get into your new massive machine. So what we've done on here in the front is we pop our head down in there. You'll see that awesome Baja grocery getter lift kit with those radius arms, looking killer. And we'll go around to the front of this thing and check out the front of it, where you can see we've done all the goodies up in here, the beams, our Fox steering stabilizer, all looking really nice up in there. It's killer, love it. So in the back, and in the front of this, I know this is a question that a lot of you guys ask, is how high does it sit? So when we measure from the ground to the wheel well here, we were looking at, let's see if we can get this. So there it is, 35 in the beginning with stock wheels and tires. We're now at about 42 1/4, giving us a total lift of about 7 1/4 inches. So 42 1/4 is what the height from the ground to the bottom of the wheel well. That's where it's sitting right now. Now as we jump to the back of this, we can definitely fit our head and camera in there to check out that awesome set. That's a 7-leaf pack spring there that we're getting all the height out of. In addition, we've added a set of Fox shocks to the back. So lots of room, no problem in there. So I will tell you one other thing that we're doing in here is, because of how big this is, this tire would actually want to rub the wheel well right here. So what we're also doing in the back of this is we are running a 1.5-inch wheel spacer to help us keep our tire off our inner wheel well. And when we look down the side of this, you'll still see that there's a nice profile. The back's not sticking out farther than the front. It's giving it an overall really nice look. Yes, if you wanted to run like a set of fender flares or something on there, it would probably definitely help. As you can see, that tire does stick out of the body there quite a bit. So as far as the height goes in the back, we started out at 36 inches. We ended up at 43.5, giving us 7.5 inches of lift on this. In the rear, I'm gonna come back here and you guys can check this thing out. So the next thing we're gonna be doing to this is we are going to be adding a rear bumper and tire carrier. And I think maybe a box, so I'll have to check on that. So overall, really cool little build that we have going on there. Another shot of the leaf springs all underneath. So guys, let me know, do you guys like videos like this where I'm just kind of walking through them and talking? You don't have to look at my ugly mug and just get to see the meat and potatoes of the build. Let me know, comment below. And if you have found some great information here, you learned something new, you would like to learn more about building your van, please smash that subscribe button, ring that bell. We are putting out a lot of videos right now to help you guys learn all about vans and what you could do to them and the craziness that we do here at WeldTech Designs, guys. So thanks again for watching. I'm Jeremy, and I will see you guys on the next video.